Today we're gonna make a very simple of making a slime with my sister. So first what you need is a container. Container. Mix it. And we have liquid detergent and clear glue. But it's okay when it's also white glue. So let's get started! First, we will add the clear glue. Woo! Say hi. Talk to them. Huh? What I'm making? Making? Yeah, what I'm making. Ew, so sticky. That's it. And then add a little bit of detergent, but not all. My mom said, just little by little. Oh, Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Is it working, Alex? Huh? More. Hi. More. The big one. What? Hey, Kiki. Hey, Kiki. Hey, Kiki. I'm putting it by little and little. Sit down. It's very sticky. Ew, Kiki. Ew. Never mind. No. It's okay. Gonna wait when it's like slime already. Then put your hands now. Joke. I'm not gonna put it in my hands. When it's just ready, I'm gonna mix it with my sister. Baby sister Alex. No, not like that. Not like that. Okay. So, it's almost ready. It's forming. Not all. The video. Not all. That's not funny. Mina. Bits of detergent, but not all. And my slime is forming. Oh my gosh, my slime is forming. My slime is forming. It's forming. I think we need a little more of detergent. Not working, I think. Ready? I'm gonna do it with my hands. Ooh, it feels like not slime. Ew, I think it's like I mean, that's not slime. It's a little bit not slime, but do not add too much detergent because look at what happened. That's why it's not detergent. I mean, that's why it's not a little like slime. That's why do not add too much of Ariel liquid detergent. No. Okay. Ew. Puppy slime. I don't know. And I think it's about to play with it, so it will be work, I think. Comment below how much detergent you will need. And when you don't know how to make slime, please do not add too much Ariel detergent. That's why I add a lot of detergent. That's why my slime is like this. But it still works. And it's so cool. And my hands are bubbly now. I don't know how much of detergent. That's why I just want to play with it. Look. It's like a glove. It looks like a gloves. Like, I don't know how to make slime. And my slime is like a Play-Doh. Like, we just add too much of detergent, a little up, too much, but I don't know how to make slime. That's why my slime is this one. I think it's fail. I think it's a fail slime. I think it's fail, but it's still slime. It's not fail, but it's a little fail because it adds a little too much of detergent. Yeah. So, I don't know how to make slime. Kiki, it's okay because next time I can do it again. Kiki, yeah. Thank you for watching. This is my first time of making slime, and it's already